Hey everybody, welcome back. I guess your Barbie is gonna get a new dress today. Look at these cute little mini dresses. For that, fold a craft paper as we are doing here and make a square. After that, make multiple folds from all its side and look, it is looking like this. After that, we are going to make more small folds from all its sides like this. Then we are going to cut the excess portion, then fold it from its bottom as we are doing here, and then we have to do it from all the sides. Look, then we are going to cut again its pointy part, and look, its skirt is ready. Then we are going to make its upper portion. For that, take a square craft paper, make many folds like we are doing here, and then we are going to make a fold from the corner and join it, add a belt, and these are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's a lovely birthday cake. I'm sure your friends gonna love it. For that, take a craft paper like shown in the video. It's a stripped paper, then fold it from all its corner. Then we are going to again fold it from its bottom part, as you can see, and we're going to make a square shape from all its four sides and make more folds on the square pattern like this. Then we're going to repeat the process, flip it, and again make a fold like this. Then we're going to make more such shapes, as you can see, and paste all of them one over another. Fix it properly using your fingers. After that, we are going to add a extra strip of paper around it using glue. Look how we are doing it. It is ready. Then we are going to cover it with another shape and put a candle inside and two hearts, and it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.